So Hoa says,
I'd like to eat healthy, but if it doesn't taste good, I just can't eat it.
I used to hate with a passion avocados. Didn't taste good to me. Couldn't see how anyone could say that thing tastes good. It was just like, in my mind, this is gross. And avocado flavor has not changed over the course of years, I'm sure. But somehow, to me, they taste different. And one thing that I learned back in school is that we get new taste buds every few, and I don't know how many days it is, but there's a number of days and our taste buds turn over. And the way that we can benefit from that piece of information, if I put down sweet tasting foods long enough, my taste buds change over. And the great thing about that is that when my taste buds change over, now the foods that I'm eating, so the healthier foods, are now what's the baseline for what tastes good. And we can make that shift several times. So maybe it starts off with eliminating candy and chips and the things with very strong sweet flavors and the strong, flavors. And then we flip it over into, okay, now I'm going to take out the ones that are higher in, starches. And we'll take those out. And they're not there. And over time, as the more you do that, you're going to realize that, yes, I can get to the part where, like I got to the part where food I hated actually tastes good now because all the sweet things I was eating are no longer there. I hope that's helpful.